So oftentimes we see different big manufacturing sites around you, probably Chinese manufacturing sites or Indian manufacturing sites around you with big infrastructure, big buildings and several exhaust pipes, going out of the sky, tall buildings, encapsulated buildings. And you see that these sites are actually doing millions in manufacturing on daily basis, and you wish you could actually visit these manufacturing sites and try to learn one or two things from them, but most often you are denied entry because quite all right, you don't work there, and the organization would be kind of be afraid of strangers, people they don't know, and they are afraid of theft. They are even afraid of people who would kind of void or breach the protocols around either the machine operation and section and different section in the building. That is quite understandable of them as well. But what if I now told you that there is now a manufacturing infrastructure in Nigeria that would even beg you to be part of their community, kind of show you the different manufacturing technologies that they have, because they are trying to get more Nigerians, more Africa, they're trying to give them more access to these manufacturing tools at a minimal or even zero capital, because they are trying to just make sure more Africans can get access and control these manufacturing tools. Let me show you. Let's head over to techvented.com. And as you can see, on this particular platform, you can see the different machines they have in control and the different services that they do. So if you have any questions around any of the operation of these machines, machineries, and the different things that you are seeing here, just drop a comment in the section below, and we'll be willing to even dive deeper into making sure you understand this. And to even keep the story more interesting, these particular machines that you are seeing here are now actually automated, which means that you can now control them yourself, because we've actually identified the different things required for you to kind of operate the machine. We've programmed them, and as you can see, this particular web application is actually an infrastructure built for Africa to get access to technologies that ordinarily are very, very expensive to get. So follow us, and in the next video we are going to be showing you more interesting items into ensuring that we are able to give more Africans access to manufacturing technology, and we are able to kind of do the things that we think the government should be doing for us, which is improving our lives in terms of having access to infrastructures, improving our lives in terms of having access to goods that are kind of produced from within and not relying too much on importation. So stay tuned, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next one.